cortical areas or sulci and gyri on superior lateral surface of cerebral hemisphere. There is a central sulcus present in the center. There is a lateral sulcus present on the inferior side with its posterior ramus. The central sulcus and lateral sulcus with parieto-occipital sulcus on medial surface divides the cerebral hemisphere into 4 lobes. Right in front of the central sulcus there is a frontal lobe. Behind the central sulcus there is a parietal lobe. This is the occipital lobe and this is a temporal lobe. Let us learn the cortical areas or sulci and gyri on frontal lobe. Central sulcus. Right in front of the central sulcus, precentral sulcus is present. Between precentral sulcus and central sulcus, precentral gyrus is present. Rest of the frontal lobe is having superior frontal sulcus, inferior frontal sulcus, which divides the frontal lobe into 3 gyrus: superior frontal gyrus, middle frontal gyrus, inferior frontal gyrus. The inferior frontal gyrus is again having anterior ascending and anterior horizontal sulcus, which divides it into 3 areas: pars orbitalis, pars triangularis, pars opercularis. The precentral gyrus is having the area 4 or motor area. This is the area 6, premotor area or motor association area. This is the area 8, frontal eye field. This is a prefrontal area 9, 10, 11. Pars triangularis is having area 45. Pars orbitalis is having, pars opercularis is having area 44. 45 and 44, they are the Broca's speech area. Central sulcus. Behind the central sulcus, there present post-central sulcus. This is a post-central gyrus, which is a sensory area 3, 1, 2. Rest of the parietal lobe is having intraparietal sulcus, which divides the parietal lobe into superior parietal lobule, inferior parietal lobule. The superior parietal lobule is having area 5 and 7, somastatic area 2. The occipital lobe is the smallest posterior lobe. It is having the sulcus, calcarine sulcus at the occipital pole. This is a lunate sulcus. Area 17 is present over here, primary visual area. Rest of the occipital lobe is having lateral occipital sulcus, divides the occipital lobe into superior and inferior occipital gyrus, having area 18 and 19, visual association area. Temporal lobe is the lowest lobe, separated from rest of the lobe by lateral sulcus. This is a posterior ramus of lateral sulcus. This is a superior temporal sulcus, inferior temporal sulcus. Divides the temporal lobe into 3 gyrus: superior, middle and inferior temporal gyrus. The superior temporal gyrus is having area 41, 42, primary auditory area. This is an area where Wernicke's language area is present.